There we go.
Hey YouTube, my name is Simon, and in this vlog, I'll be teaching
Ethan
how to solve one of these, a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And there's only one rule, I can't touch this cube. Let's get started. Before we start, there's some notation. So let's say the green side is your top face and the white side is your front face. You have the right side, if I say R, that twists the right side clockwise.
Okay, I already messed mine up.
Yeah, it's good. So just remember that R, when I say R, you twist the right side clockwise one time. And then R prime, counterclockwise. So you always look, if this is your front face, you look at the right face clockwise, counterclockwise.
Okay.
So this is R, U is the top face, U prime, F prime, and then L is the clockwise, L prime, D, the bottom face, D prime, and then the B, back, remember clockwise.
Oh, that's confusing.
Yeah, and then B prime. So that's the notation for algorithms I'll be showing you. Okay, and also there's three kinds of pieces, center pieces. See how this is a green piece, yellow piece, orange. So the center, whenever you twist a layer, they never move.
Okay, that makes sense.
Center pieces. And then usually green is the opposite of blue, white is the opposite of yellow, and orange is the opposite of red. And then next is the edges, is between two corners. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 edges total.
I see.
And they have two colors. So let's say this one is white and red. See this?
Oh yeah, that's not going to change.
Okay. And then the corner pieces, 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 3 colors, white, red, green, for instance. All right.
Okay.
All right. So I'll mess my cube up, and so we're gonna start by solving one side, and we're gonna start by solving a cross. So pick a color.
Red.
Red. We're gonna solve the red.
Do I hold that close? Like, do I hold that facing me?
Yeah.
All right.
Or you could, yeah, hold the red center facing up.
Okay.
And then you're gonna twist a whole 180 degrees, the cube, and look for any red edges at the bottom.
None.
There's none. And then you look at the last layer and see if there's any red edges.
One edge.
Yeah, so there. So we have to move that to the red side. So twist it back up.
Okay.
And there's actually one red-green on your left hand.
Oh yeah.
You can just swipe that up. Yeah, like that. See how that? So there's four pieces for the cross.
Green, red.
Yeah, and then see how the green is not matching up with the center.
Oh yeah.
Twist the red face until it is matching the center. So like it should be like this. Yeah, like that.
Nice.
So that's one. There's 3 more. And then find another red edge piece.
Down here.
Like there.
Red, white.
Red, white. So move the bottom layer until it reaches the white center.
Okay.
You there?
Yep.
Okay. Now put this in your front.
Okay.
The white. Yep. And then turn the face F. Yep. U. Nope. Other way. And then see how it's positioned to swipe up. So move that red and white piece to the top layer.
Where did they go? Oh, I see.
And then a U prime. See?
Ah.
So now you have the green and the white. Now there's two more. Find another red edge piece.
Red, blue.
Alright, move that. So keep the red face on the top.
Okay.
Turn the bottom layer until it reaches the blue center.
Okay.
Okay. Now have the blue facing you.
Okay.
And then just do 2F. Turn the front face twice. See how I did that?
Ah.
And there's one more. Where's the last red piece?
Red, yellow. Down here.
Okay. And for that, you can actually, so just leave it like that. Red on the top, blue in the front.
Okay.
Turn the top layer twice. And then see how you can move that red edge up to the top.
Like this?
No, the right side.
Oh, yeah.
And then now you have all four. Now just line them up again.
Okay.
And that's the first step. Where's mine? Okay. So there's no algorithm. Just with practice, you'll be able to get this.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do these four corners.
All right.
So find let me show you what the next step will look like.
Oh, man.
And then like this.
Wow.
One side and then the whole first layer, like that. Everything lined up.
I see.
So find a red corner.
There we go. Red, blue, and yellow.
Red, blue, and yellow.
So.
And then move that. So see how. So let's say red, blue, and yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Move it. Move only the bottom layer, red on top, until the blue reaches its center. Or yellow, for instance. Like that.
Okay.
And then, so it's in the right side, you're gonna move the right layer down, R prime, and then D prime, put that in, see how it fits in, and then move that back up. And that's it.
That was so easy.
And then three more. So.
Oh, one's right here already.
Okay. And then move it, let's find one just at the bottom.
Okay,
layer.
this one's at the bottom.
Okay. So,
green, yellow,
match it up with the yellow center. Yep. So now it's on the left side. Now it's the exact opposite. You move the left down, so L, and then D. No, put it in its place, and then swipe it back up.
Oh.
Alright, two more to go.
One more.
Two more. Because this one's not in the right place.
Oh.
So.
That's.
Now find another red corner on the bottom.
There are none.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Oh yeah, okay. So let's pretend, so have blue on the front. Let's pretend that the bottom orange corner have to go here. So we're gonna take that down.
Okay.
So just like putting it in. So move the right down. Yep.
Like that.
And
then back up.
Yep. Okay, so now there's one piece at the bottom, one red edge.
Oh yeah.
Corner. Now move that to the correct place.
Like that.
Yep. Yep, and then, so it's the left side. Now, do you remember how to, nope. Green on the front, yep. No. Bring the left down, yep. Put it in, swipe back up. One more.
Okay, down here.
Yeah.
So now.
That's one side, one layer.
Easy.
Okay.
Oh wow, I did do the first layer.
Okay, so after that, we turn the red side opposite down. So the orange is now on top. Now this is where the algorithm starts. Alright, so so now we have two algorithm for the second layer. Now, on only the top layer, find any non-orange edges.
Yellow?
Yep, blue and yellow. And then see how, let's say, here, this is green and white. You're gonna move this green to the, no, this white to the white center, line it up.
Oh, I see, so.
Okay, and then have this facing on your front, and then the orange on top.
Okay.
And then where does that piece go? To the left or to the right?
To the right.
Yep, it goes to the right. And then you're gonna do this algorithm.
Okay, so.
U.
Top, right.
No.
Front.
U prime, yep. R prime. U prime.
U prime.
F prime. U. F. And look, how did you do it? It went in there, right? Blue and yellow? The second layer. This.
Wait, oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
it's there.
And then
That's good.
that's one. 3 more to go. Find another non-orange edge on the top layer.
Okay. Yellow and green.
Okay, move it to the green center, line it up. Yep. Does it go right or the left?
Wait, what? Oh, left.
Yep, and then you're gonna do this one.
Okay. Up prime. Left prime. Up. Oh, now just one more.
And you actually have one edge already solved. So yeah, one more. Okay, find the last edge on the top layer that's not orange.
Oh, well, there's kind of two.
Oh, not non-orange.
Oh, non-orange. Oh, white and blue?
Yeah. And then it's already in the correct position. Does it go left or right?
Left.
Yep.
So,
Yeah.
there we go.
That's it.
2 layers.
2 layers done. Now it's final layer, 3rd layer. Let me write some algorithms. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna solve the opposite colored cross, so the orange cross.
Okay.
And there's gonna either be no edges up for the orange, the backward L, which we have right now. We both have.
Oh, I see.
A straight line and then the cross.
Okay.
So with red always on the bottom and orange always on the top, we're gonna do this algorithm.
Okay.
So have the backward L like this, and then do this algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime.
Okay.
F R U.
This is you?
Yep. R prime. U prime. F prime. And then now we have a line.
Straight line.
And then we're going to do that again.
Same thing?
With the line on the horizontal.
Okay. Front, right, up, front prime, U prime, front prime.
Nope, that's R.
Oh, that could have been bad.
Yes. And now we have the cross. Okay, next step. We're gonna find two edges that are lined up with the center.
It's like white and green.
Yep. If there's white, so mine is yellow and white, but you would do this algorithm twice. So if this is like this, I would do this algorithm, and then now we have the same thing. They're adjacent to each other instead of across.
Okay.
So adjacent to each other, put one completed edge at on the back and one on your right.
So one back and okay.
And then yellow would be your front face and then up face. And then do this algorithm.
Okay.
You are prime. You. Nope. You. Yeah. Right. 2U, so top twice. R prime. U. So now we have the cross and we have the edges lined up.
Yes.
So now the next one, we're gonna find a corner piece that's in its correct position, but not necessarily solved. Like this is in the correct position, but not solved.
Okay. It's like this one?
No. That's
this one.
No. You don't have anything. So
okay.
if there's nothing, you would do this algorithm anyway. But
okay.
Orange on top always.
Doesn't matter what color's in front?
Nope. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. See how this is in the correct place? Orange, blue, yellow, orange, blue, yellow.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one?
Yeah. So, and then you're gonna put the orange on top, and then this one on the top right corner.
Well, this is
the soft one.
This one's already in the right spot, though.
Yeah. You find that, and then put that in the top right. Orange top, green in the front, and do this again.
Okay.
Nope. Yes.
Huh.
Yeah. And then is everything in the right position?
No. These two are flipped. Actually, all three are wrong.
So you would still do it again. Keep doing it until you get everything. Yep.
And
top right corner.
Okay.
You
there
did
we
it.
go.
You actually skipped a step. You skipped the last step.
Wow.
I think that was under 20 minutes. But all right, let me show you the last step because you skipped it.
That's right.
So, see how every of these corners was in the right place?
Okay. Yeah.
You would do this algorithm over and over again until this orange edge corner is flipped into the right position. So
okay.
And always have it in the right side. So R prime, D prime, R, D. It's not yet. R prime, D prime, R, D. Right place.
Yeah.
And then without moving the bottom layer, just move the top layer, the next one. You keep doing that again. Finish. Only the top layer. And then do it again until the orange is facing up. Always complete this. And then move the next top layer.
Look at that. Solved.
And then move the top layer. Yeah. So Ethan.
Not bad.
Under 20 minutes. And this is the whole algorithm he used. That's it. Just this. 1, 2 for the second layer. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the third layer. You just need
6.
Yep, 6 algorithm to solve this cube.
Piece of cake.
Yeah. Thanks for watching this video.
Please like and subscribe.
If I can solve this Rubik's Cube,
and I can solve this Rubik's Cube,
anyone can.